discuss the 6th lab program of Digital Design and Computer Organization. Design Verilog program to implement different types of multiplexer like 2:1, 4:1 and 8:1. In multiplexers, we have 2 to the power n number of input lines and 1 output line. N number of selector lines will be there. In 8:1 multiplexer, we have 8 input lines, 3 number of select lines and 1 output line. Now let's see the program. We have select lines, input lines, that is D, select lines are S and output is denoted by Y. In input, we can tell we have 3 select lines, S0, S1 and S2 are the 3 input lines. D0 to D7 are our 8 input lines. 1 output line, that is Y, and we have the register Y. Always at S or D creates a loop. It's the equation. Then in case S is the selector line. Whatever the S may choose, that is, it may choose 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7. The corresponding D line, that is the input line, will be chosen for the output. So we have written as 1. If the case is 1, 0, the output will be D0. If the case is 1, then the output line will be D1. Similarly, the output will be D7 when it chooses the 7th line. Then we end the case and the module. When we run this program, we get the output as follows. Okay, now we'll see 4:1 multiplexer. In 4:1 multiplexer, we have n is equal to 2. That is, 2 to the power 2 will be 4. So, 4 input lines will be there, 2 select lines will be there and 1 output line will be there. So, we can write the input as S0 to S1. S0 and S1 are our 2 input lines, are our 2 select lines. D0, D1, D2 and D3 are our input lines. Output is Y and register is Y. Similarly, as we saw in 8:1 multiplexer, here when the case is 0, when S is 0, D0 will be chosen as the output. When 1, D1 will be chosen as output. Similarly, D2 and D3 will be chosen as output for 2 and 3rd case respectively. And the output of that will be this. When we run that program, we get this as our output. Now, let's see 2:1 multiplexer. In 2:1 multiplexer, our n value will be 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. So, we have 2 input lines and 1 select line and 1 output line. So, S0 is the only input line. select line. Only select line is yes not, or we can leave it as yes also. But in the program we have to write it as yes not to yes not only. And output we have in another input, that is D. The inputs will be 0 and 1, D0 and D1. The output is Y and register is also Y. Always at yes or D case yes, we'll have, if 0 is selected, D0 will be the output. If 1 is selected, D1 will be our output. Then the output for this will be this. Thank you. And in next video, we'll see the 7th lab component of digital design and computer organization. Thank you.